These are Vellyos or white sardines, and you see their anatomy and their beautiful design and ornamentation. I think I'm recording it for the first time in Goa because even fisheries department does not have any videos or information on this. And it is a very hydrodynamic and streamlined, I would say that evolved type of body design, that they must be very fast swimmers also, because this type of fish very close to Peruvian anchovies. They are found in huge schools of millions of these small fishes. There is a smaller variety known as Velluta. It is half the size of this. And what we find interesting with Vellio or white sardine is almost they are of same size and length, so we cannot distinguish easily male female in this. And very small occasions, rare occasions, we find female values with roe and all that, and that's very rare. Now, when this pink spot or pink this one grows up, then they are less tastier. The values are, I can tell you that they are some of the from the angle of texture and flavor, they are totally different. Maybe they come very close to kapsai, but kapsai you have a cottony like very nice smooth flesh. But in this value, it is a totally different texture that you get when the preparation is done correctly. We'll see what is that preparation, and after finishing with values, we'll turn to Shetaka.